Are you struggling to get your website rank higher and generate leads or sales for your business? One key to increase your ranking, building website authority, bring more users and potential clients to your website and increasing lead generation or sales is by targeting informational keywords on your website. And in this video, you will learn the best practices for informational keywords to achieve all that and much more. So keep watching. The first and super important best practice for informational keywords is to target around 80% informational and 20% commercial and transactional keywords. Since 2020, Google has been releasing a series of algorithm updates that were aimed at affiliate marketers who only or mainly target commercial and transactional keywords for profit. Mostly, their updates were going around providing helpful content and product reviews update. However, this does not only apply to affiliate marketers, but basically to anybody who is producing commercial and transactional content. And according to the MedDigital research, the commercial versus informational content ratio is important to avoid any loss of rankings or being able to rank in Google search. And the average percentage for informational versus commercial content is around 70% and 30% respectively. However, I recommend keeping the ratio even higher, around 80 to 20% of informational and commercial or transactional content to further improve your topical relevancy for your most important profitable keywords and for more reasons that I will talk about later. Another important informational keyword best practice is to drive awareness and visibility for your products or services, and obviously your brand as well. Informational keywords usually have higher search demand and can be easier to rank for, which allows you to promote your products or services there. However, there are millions of informational keywords that you could possibly target, many of which have very little to do with your own business. So, to maximize your marketing efforts, drive the best results, and target only the most relevant information keywords to your business, you will need to analyze the business potential of the keyword. And to find the keyword business potential, you will need to ask yourself the following questions. Is this keyword relevant to my business? Will it be users interested in my solution? Can I naturally include my solution within the post? And are they ready to buy now? aka, where are they in the buy journey? By asking these questions, you will be able to easily assign a score between 0 to 3. 0 means no business potential and 3 great revenue generating potential. Here is a guideline I'm using to analyze keyword business potential with the example for whiskey e-commerce store. Remember, if the answer to the first two questions is no, then you obviously don't want to waste your time on these. The third question is about the lead generation ability of the keyword, and the last question is about where the user is in the buy journey. For example, HubSpot is producing hundreds of pieces of content every month, yet some have absolutely nothing to do with their business, such as the article on how to type the shrug emoji. Another important best practice for informational keywords is to target informational keywords that support your commercial and transactional keywords. This will help you to follow the 80-20 ratio, as well as targeting only the most relevant keywords to drive awareness and visibility for your brand's products or services. To do that, you will need to create a topic cluster around your core products or services. For example, let's say you are in the construction business and one of your core services is commercial construction. Then you would create a topic cluster from the main category or seed keyword construction. To do that, you can use the keyword research tool such as SE ranking. Type your main keyword or seed keyword into the tool, select the target location and click on analyze. And then from the keyword suggestion tool, you would handpick any related keywords that you can target by creating product or service page, category page or blog post. And then you would start creating your content by targeting your main SEO keywords related to your topic cluster. And most importantly, connecting those pages from the same topic cluster with internal links. The next important best practice for informational keywords is to use them to generate high quality backlinks and then pass the link juice to your commercial and transactional pages. And as shown from the previous best practice, you should create topic clusters for your most important products or services, and then connect all the pages with internal links, which will allow you to pass the link juice to your most important money pages, so you can rank on top and generate leads and or sales for your business. And the reason for that is that you cannot simply flood your product or service pages with tons of backlinks to rank at the top as it is unnatural and Google would quickly penalize you. So instead, when you do link building, you want to build mostly backlinks to your informational keywords, as it is much more natural. When it comes to informational keywords or any primary keywords that you want to target, having proper on-page SEO will ensure users and search engines easily understand what is your page about. As said by John Miller, I would recommend that if there is something that you want to tell us that your page is about, to make that as visible as possible. This means including your target keyword in important parts of your page, such as title tag, meta description, URL, introduction, headlines, images, and within the content. If you are using WordPress, you can check out my guide on where and how to add keywords to WordPress, and also use this infographic as your keyword placement checklist. Another important practice when it comes to informational keywords is to regularly keep an eye on SERP and keyword ranking changes. Informational keywords can change ranking super fast due to Google algorithm changes, increased competition, lack of backlinks, poor quality content, technical issues, or the search intent change, or for many more reasons. So it's important that you regularly check your keyword ranking to ensure you can prevent or minimize any losses of rankings, organic traffic, and leads or sales for your business. To do that, you should be using keyword rank tracking tools such as SE Ranking. SE Ranking Keyword Rank Tracker is the most accurate tool in the market and a very useful tool for monitoring keyword rankings in the major search engines such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, and YouTube. It allows you to track rankings in any language, location, and on any device, taking into account important variables that influence website rankings. SE Ranking gives you a perfect summary of your keywords ranking, allowing you to easily monitor any ranking changes and take quick actions, with keywords in SERPs that jump, drop, or unchanged, and also overall ranking across your target locations and devices. All this and more give you important information to easily track your keywords to prevent any ranking drops and loss of organic traffic. And here's one SEO tip. When you publish new content, make sure you add the primary keyword to your keyword rank tracking tool right away. And pay attention to how long it takes for the page to start ranking for the keyword and what position it starts. Ideally, your page should start ranking within a week at positions better than 20. If it takes longer and it starts ranking at position higher than 20, it could mean you are targeting too competitive keywords and need to focus on easier to rank keywords instead. And the last best practice for informational keywords I have for you is to add relevant gated content to your informational keywords. Remember, around 97% of users on your website never take any action. As said, informational keywords are not really great at generating SEO leads, but because they have a large search volume, can be easier to target, and they are answering your target audience questions at the beginning of the buy journey, they are perfect for adding relevant gated content. By providing gated content with more information on blog posts targeting informational keywords, you can capture your website visitors and create a lead nurturing sequence to stay in touch with them and guide them through the buy journey. This can ultimately result in the increased lead generation or sales. However, I understand creating specific gated content for each blog post like HubSpot does is very challenging, and you need to have large resources to do that. So what I recommend is to create a category relevant gated content and lead magnets. For example, my main category is SEO, so I can create a relevant SEO ebook and then promote it across all my SEO articles. Or if I want to go a bit narrow, then I can create relevant lead magnets or gated content for my SEO subcategories such as link building or keywords, and create a lead magnet such as ebook or webinar specifically about link building strategies or keyword strategies. Or the best way is to create relevant gated content according to your topic clusters. For example, if your topic cluster is electric cars, then you can create relevant gated content such as white papers, ebooks, or webinars on topics such as the benefits of electric cars over traditional cars, how to choose the right electric car for your needs, or the future of electric cars in the automobile industry. By providing valuable information in a gated format, you can capture leads and nurture them through the buy journey while also positioning yourself as an authority in your field of expertise. And you don't even need to create new content for your ebook, but take your popular content and repurpose it into an ebook or white paper. For example, I can take my SEO strategy article and repurpose it into an ebook and then promote it across all my SEO articles. And that's all from me. Now when you understand how to apply informational keywords best practices, the next step is to put it together with SEO lead generation to bring more leads, generate more sales, or simply get you more money from your website. And for that, you must watch this video. Also, please like this video as it helps a bunch. Ciao!